If you are tired of spending your weekends manually scrubbing your pool, or watching older robotic cleaners wander aimlessly while missing half the dirt, it is time to see what true intelligent cleaning looks like. We are looking at the AIPER Scuba V3, a robotic pool cleaner that actually uses AI vision to change the way you maintain your water. This isn't just another random path vacuum. It's a high-tech patrol system for your pool floor and walls. Click the link below for the best price. And let's jump into why this is a massive leap forward for pool care. The standout feature here is the front-facing AI camera system. Instead of bumping into walls or missing debris, the Scuba V3 actively identifies over 20 different types of pool waste. You can literally watch it navigate with purpose, mapping your pool's specific layout and targeting the messiest areas first. It's essentially a smart home device for your backyard, using a cognitive AI Navia mode to analyze your pool size and whether to set up its own autonomous cleaning schedule. AIPER has also completely solved the biggest annoyances of pool maintenance: charging and retrieval. It comes with a wireless charging dock, so you just place it on the base. No fiddling with wet, exposed charging ports or cables. When it's done, it uses smart waterline parking to climb up and wait for you right at the surface, making it incredibly easy to grab. Plus, it weighs only about 18 pounds, so it's featherlight compared to those heavy, waterlogged cleaners of the past. Under the hood, the performance is just as sharp as the navigation. It uses a micromesh multi-layer filtration system that catches everything from chunky leaves down to fine sand and invisible contaminants as small as 3 microns. You are getting crystal clear water with basically zero effort on your part. If you want a pool that is always swim ready without you lifting a finger, the Scuba V3 is the upgrade you have been waiting for. Click the link below to lock in the best price today, and I'll see you in the next one.